Hi buddy, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making hummus. So now we have to talk about the ingredients that we'll have to use to make the hummus. So first ingredient that we'll be using is some chickpeas. So you guys can remove the shells from them. It's optional, but I do recommend that you do it. So you can take the shells off by just doing this. I'm just putting them in a separate bowl. As you can see, I took off all of them here. The next ingredient that you'll be needing is some lemon juice. Then you'll be needing some salt. You'll be needing some tahini. If you guys want to know how to make tahini, then I have made a video on this, and the link will be in the description box down below, and you guys can go check that out. And over here we have garlic. Then we have oil over here, olive oil over here. So the type of hummus that we'll be making today is roasted garlic hummus. So you will be needing these, obviously. Okay guys, so here I have my olive oil in my pan, and we are going to be putting our garlic into it. So here is our garlic. It is at the color that I want. So now I'm going to strain it, and then I'm going to put it aside. Okay guys, so here I have my fantastic roasted garlic, and here I have my roasted garlic olive oil. So I'm going to talk to you guys about what you guys can use these for. So let's start with the roasted garlic olive oil. That's a very long name. Let's start talking about this. So you guys can use this for your bread, for chicken, and for steak. And for this, you guys can use it. You can use it for pretty much everything. So yeah, what's so great about these two? So I am going to be using these both for my hummus. Okay guys, so I'm putting my chickpeas in a food processor with 1/4 of salt and some lemon. The amount of lemon depends on how sour and how less sour you want it to be. So the amount of lemon juice is up to you, and the same thing goes for the salt too. Okay guys, so I blended this a bit. And now it's time to add 2 tablespoons of tahini in here with my 2 cups of chickpeas. So there we go. That's 2 tablespoons. Now we're gonna add our roasted garlic cloves. There we go. Looking good. So I added as much garlic as I want. It depends on how garlicky you want it. If you want it to be a strong flavor of garlic, then I suggest you add more. But if you don't, then I suggest you add as many as I added. Now I'm gonna go. Okay guys, so I grinded it, and now I'm gonna put 1/2 cup of the roasted garlic olive oil in here. So that's it. You can use this for pita bread, shawarma, salad, pasta, anything, because it'll just taste amazing with this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then remember to hit that subscribe button and like button. Bye bye.